Hi everyone, welcome back. So this week I went to Chadstone to get 2 Chanel pieces. It's their classic card holders. So let's go ahead and unbox one of them, shall we? So that's your typical bag, and it has the beautiful white camellia. That's the ribbon that says Chanel all over there. Alrighty. So here's the box. Oh, the camellia fell out. But the camellia's just on there as well. It's so pretty. So we'll take that off. So it comes with the care booklet inside there, and I forgot to show you, but inside there's a receipt, of course. So let's go ahead and open it up. It is the classic card holder in the green calfskin and gold tone metal. As you can see, it's still got the sticker on the logo there. So this is a piece that a lot of people do have in their collection, and I'm just so excited and happy to have it in my collection now. So there's the 1 slot, 2, middle compartment, 3 and 4. Let's just take all that out. That's what it looks like close up. The grain is just absolutely beautiful, as you can see. It says Chanel there. And this one is made in Italy. It's that beautiful burgundy lining inside. So price-wise, this was $550 back in March in Australia. And at the moment, when I bought it, it is $590, which is about $436.88 in the US. Lengthwise, it's 11.2 centimeters, which is 4.4 inches. The height of it is 7.5 centimeters, which is 2.9 inches. And the width, as you can see, it's not very wide. It's 0.5 centimeters, which is 0.2 inches. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox the other one, shall we? So the same thing with the camellia. As you can see though, I've accidentally rubbed it against other bags as I was going shopping that day. But I'm so happy that they give you 2. So that's the chameleon on there again. And the same thing, they give you the receipt in this beautiful white cardboard. And that's at Chadston as well. Oh, that's the opposite way around. So the same thing, the care booklet. And I forgot to mention earlier, but I just love this dust bag. It's so beautiful. Okay, so this one is the other classic card holder. Now, as you can see, this is in the lambskin with the gold hardware. And the same thing, it's got the sticker still on the logo. Opens like so. The back, it's got a pocket there. Now with the front, it's got one slot there and just a wider compartment right in the middle there. And the same thing as well. This is also there, an authenticity card as well. Also made in Italy. With there again, beautiful burgundy colour. So this one retails for $790 in Australia, and that's $585.25 in the US. Now the measurements, length-wise, it's 11.3 centimeters, which is 4.4 inches, 7.5 centimeters in height, and that's 2.9 inches. And of course this one, you know, opens up so it's a bit wider as well. The width of it, that's 2.1 centimeters, which is 0.8 inches. It's just so stunning, so beautiful. So just a bit of a backstory. I went into Chanel and the very lovely and friendly sales associate, Cristiano, showed me these pieces. And I actually intended to get this classic card holder in the same leather as this, which is the grained calfskin. Doing a lot of reading and watching a lot of YouTube videos, this leather is a lot more durable and scratch resistant, whereas this one is the lambskin, which is, you know, very soft. And I was a bit worried about having to baby it. I was just so excited that I didn't even think to check what leather type I got in both of those. It wasn't until I went home that I did unbox it to double check. And I've thought about going back to exchange it, but being a luxury piece, it's not like I have this in my bag every single day. So I thought, you know, being the type of person I am, I do take really good care of my things. So I feel like I can, maintain the quality. So in the end, decided that I wanted to keep it. Here they are side by side comparison. So thank you so much for watching. I didn't want to make this a long video because I know that a lot of people have this in their collection and they do a much more in-depth review than I do. So please check out those videos. But thank you so much for watching this. I appreciate it. And have a lovely day and take care. Bye.